In the British Army, the annual fitness test is designed to assess soldiers' lower and upper body strength and endurance. The test was formerly known as the Combat Fitness Test, and is still colloquially known by soldiers as the CFT. The test involves a fast-paced march at 15 minutes per mile, brisk walking pace, in full combat gear including the SA-80 personal weapon, across rough terrain and roads. The distance covered and the exact weight of the equipment carried depends upon the type of unit, but is usually 6 or 8 miles and 15 kilograms to 25 kilograms dependent on service or arm. Typically, British Army infantry units will carry the most weight, 25 kilograms. Combat Support Arms, Royal Engineers, Royal Corps of Signals, and Royal Artillery carry a lower amount of weight, 20 kilograms. Combat Service Support Arms such as the Army Medical Services, Royal Logistic Corps, Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers and Adjutant General's Corps carry the lowest, 15 kilograms. Female soldiers carry the same weight as their male counterparts, determined by their cap badge. The annual fitness test, together with the personal fitness assessment, mile-and-a-half run, press-ups and sit-ups, are formalized in the British Army's military training test as MAT-2. The annual fitness test is gender-free. All personnel have the same test regardless of age or gender, whilst the personal fitness assessment is gender-fair. Service personnel have to reach a minimum standard in accordance with age group and gender. Older personnel and females get more time.